Don't let the wrong fridge turn your garage into a food graveyard. The best garage refrigerators can handle temperature swings and keep your drinks ice cold, even in the heat of summer. Find out which models actually deliver before you waste money on a fridge that can't keep up. Links to the best price for each fridge are in the description box below. The Maytag 18 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator is built for those who value durability, straightforward functionality, and innovative cooling. Its power cold feature is a highlight, enabling the refrigerator to quickly return to the optimal temperature after the door has been opened, which is especially useful after grocery shopping or during periods of frequent access. This ensures that food stays fresher and safer, even during the busiest times. Inside, the refrigerator offers a well-organized layout with adjustable glass shelves, spacious door bins, and humidity-controlled crispers. These features make it easy to keep everything from large beverage containers to delicate produce stored efficiently and conveniently. The full-width deli drawer is perfect for storing meats and cheeses, while the freezer section provides ample space for frozen goods and includes an optional ice maker for added utility. The exterior is designed with a classic, clean look that fits seamlessly into a variety of kitchen styles. The appliance is engineered for quiet operation, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt the home environment, even in open-plan spaces. Maytag's reputation for reliability and durability is evident in the robust construction of this refrigerator. The easy-to-clean interior and exterior surfaces make maintenance simple, while the intuitive controls provide effortless temperature management. The efficient design also contributes to lower energy consumption, making it a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious households. Samsung's 15.6 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator is a testament to efficient design and advanced cooling technology. The all-around cooling system is a standout feature, ensuring that every shelf and compartment maintains a consistent temperature. This is particularly beneficial for preserving the freshness and flavor of food, as it minimizes temperature fluctuations that can lead to spoilage. Despite its more compact size, the refrigerator is thoughtfully laid out, with adjustable glass shelves and multiple door bins that make it easy to organize a wide variety of groceries. The freezer section offers ample space for frozen foods and includes an optional ice maker for added convenience. The LED lighting inside the refrigerator provides clear visibility, making it easy to locate items quickly, even in a fully stocked fridge. The exterior is finished in a modern, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, which keeps the appliance looking pristine with minimal maintenance. Energy efficiency is another key benefit, as this refrigerator is engineered to deliver powerful cooling while minimizing electricity usage. The quiet operation makes it a pleasant addition to any home, and the compact footprint is ideal for apartments, condos, or secondary spaces like basements and garages. The digital inverter compressor ensures long-term reliability and consistent performance, giving users peace of mind. Checking in at number 3 on my best garage-ready refrigerator list is this popular garage-ready Whirlpool fridge, which is a 20 cubic foot top freezer refrigerator that excels in practicality and user-focused design. Its 33-inch width and spacious interior make it a versatile choice for a range of households, from growing families to those who love to entertain. One of its standout features is the frameless glass shelves, which extend from wall to wall, providing more room for groceries and making it easier to fit large or awkwardly shaped items. Humidity-controlled crispers are another highlight, designed to keep fruits and vegetables in their ideal environment for longer-lasting freshness. This is a significant advantage for those who prioritize healthy eating and want to reduce food waste. The Flexi Slide Bin offers additional flexibility by allowing users to quickly adjust the position of the bin to accommodate taller items, ensuring that space is always optimized for changing storage needs. LED interior lighting casts a bright, even glow throughout the refrigerator, making it simple to find what you need at a glance. The electronic temperature controls are located up front for easy access, allowing users to set the ideal climate for their groceries with minimal effort. quiet cooling technology ensures that the refrigerator operates with minimal noise, making it a pleasant addition to open-concept kitchens or smaller homes where noise levels matter. Next up on my best garage fridge list is the LG Top Freezer Refrigerator, which offers a compelling combination of modern aesthetics, efficient storage, and reliable cooling technology. With a total capacity of 20 cubic feet, this refrigerator is well suited for families and individuals who need ample space, but prefer a streamlined top freezer design. A major advantage of this LG Garage Ready refrigerator is its smart storage configuration. The interior is designed to maximize every inch, allowing for flexible organization of groceries. Adjustable glass shelves provide the ability to customize the space to accommodate taller items or larger platters, while spacious door bins offer convenient storage for beverages, condiments, and dairy products. The full-width pantry drawer is especially useful for keeping deli items, cheeses, and snacks neatly organized and within easy reach. LED lighting brightens the interior, making it easy to locate items even when the refrigerator is fully stocked. The digital temperature controls deliver precise adjustments, ensuring that food stays fresher for longer. LG's multi-airflow technology helps maintain consistent temperatures throughout the refrigerator and freezer compartments, reducing the risk of hot spots and helping to preserve the quality and taste of stored items. The sleek, minimalist exterior of the LG is finished in a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, which not only looks modern, but also resists smudges and fingerprints, making cleaning effortless. The reversible door hinges offer flexibility during installation, allowing the refrigerator to fit comfortably in a variety of kitchen layouts. This adaptability is ideal for both new builds and remodels, where space and flow are important considerations. So, what is the best garage refrigerator on the market? The GE Garage Ready Top Freezer Refrigerator stands out for its impressive blend of reliability, generous capacity, and thoughtful design. Its fingerprint-resistant stainless finish ensures that the exterior remains spotless and easy to clean, making it a great fit for busy households and high-traffic areas. The refrigerator is specifically engineered to perform optimally in a wide range of temperatures, from 38 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it's perfectly suited for placement in garages or other less climate-controlled environments. This flexibility allows homeowners to expand their food storage options beyond the kitchen without worrying about performance. Inside, the refrigerator boasts a total capacity of 21.9 cubic feet with 15.25 cubic feet dedicated to fresh food and 6.68 cubic feet for the freezer. Edge-to-edge shelves extend the full width of the fridge, offering a sleek appearance and maximizing usable space for groceries of all shapes and sizes. The modular bins on the door provide customizable storage options, making it easy to organize everything from condiments to gallon-sized containers. The inclusion of 3 clear drawers, including a dedicated snack drawer, helps keep produce and smaller items neatly separated and easily accessible. LED lighting illuminates the interior with a natural bright light, ensuring that every corner is visible and nothing gets lost at the back of the shelves. The dual control system allows users to independently adjust the temperature of the fresh food and freezer sections, providing precise climate control for different types of food. The frost-free defrost system eliminates the need for manual defrosting, reducing maintenance, and keeping the freezer running efficiently. And that wraps up my top picks for the best garage refrigerators. You'll find all the product links in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out.